Okay, let's begin. So, boys and girls, for today, the main thing that we are going to focus on, right, would be your synthesis and transformation. More specifically, your direct to indirect speech. Okay, and then vice versa. So, which means if you need to change direct speech to indirect speech, and then indirect back to direct speech. I'll let you know more about that later on. Okay, let's go. Okay, so let me just check really quickly who actually completed their work online before they came. Oh, here comes Nicole. Okay, so Nicole is here. She's just late. All right, so people who completed their work online would be Catherine, Clarice, Myra, Sanvi, Toby, Siyu, Shao Chen, and Zoe. Oh, very good. Okay, those who completed it online, you get some extras as well. So you get one mark for completing your work online. So Siyu is not here. I'll just change her attendance. Even if she's not here, she gets to earn points as well, as long as she does it online. Oh, here comes Siyu. All right, so Catherine, Clarice, Myra, Nicole, Sanvi, Shao Chen, Siyu, Toby, and Zoe. Everyone completed their work online. Good. So I can refer to your answers as I go through the slides. All right, let's begin. So first up, we have some grammar cloze exercise here, set 1. Just very quickly. Okay, so for grammar cloze, it's quite straightforward, right? You just write your letter in according to the helping words given to you. All right. Now, I'm not sure why for the first one, like the first 4, right? They marked everyone wrong for everything, but I think you all actually got it correct. It's just that the system didn't detect the answer properly. Okay, so no worries on that. The first one is my best friend is Sharon. Or we are neighbors, although she studies in a different school. So the answer here the answer here is definitely F, right? Which represents she, although she, so this is taken. Although she studies in a different school, we meet every evening to play video games at my place. Then we will visit our neighbor because both of you, right? So where did my mouse go? Okay, we'll visit our neighbor, Miss Chen. She bakes delicious muffins and shares them. Them referring to the delicious muffins, right? Our referring to Sharon and the author. And then she refers to Sharon as well. All right, so C is taken. Last one, as both of what enjoy. So over here, obviously, it's both of us. Both of us referring to, of course, Sharon and the author as well. Enjoy doing the same things. We usually spend a lot of time together. I'm lucky to have Sharon as my best friend. Now, Myra and Shao Chen, in case you're wondering what you can do with the points, these points are worth 10 cents each, and they can be exchanged for prizes at the end of the semester, basically. So everyone gets 4 points. Last person who changed anything with me was Toby and Siyu, I believe. Siyu exchanged for something before. Did you exchange for something before, Siyu? I think she did. Yeah, I think for Robux, was it?
We exchange for the Robux gift card.
Oh, that's true. Yep. Robux gift card. That's right. Yes, Robux, you said. Okay. Next. So everyone gets 4 points for that. Everyone got it correct. Okay, moving on. Now, grammar cloze set 2 over here. So you're just supposed to pick the answer that is the most appropriate. Okay, so for this one, if you got it wrong online, right, I'm not giving you another chance because you only have two answers only. So if you get it wrong, right, the answer must be the other answer because for each question, there's only two answers. So if you got it wrong, you just got it wrong. Okay. However, Nicole, please turn on your camera. You know the rules. Oh, sorry, your camera was spoiled, right? You said the last time. Okay, but please let me know that you're here, Nicole, because Nicole still needs to give me the answers because she didn't finish it online. Nicole, are you there? Can't just log in without being here, Nicole. Hello. Okay. Anyway, the first part. Yes, Nicole is here. Good. She's given me the answer. Nice. Okay. So for the first part, Alice's school is organizing an autumn cleaning day next week. She is. Obviously, the answer here must be is, right? Because singular. She is. All right, she is singular. Okay. So everyone gets this one correct except for Zoe. There's only one boy in the class, that's right. Thank you for making that observation, Sue. Okay, so that's 1 point to everyone except Zoe. And then next, everyone in the class, what? To bring a few cleaning items. Now over here, it's a common error to use have. The correct form here is has because the main subject is actually everyone. When we say everyone, we are counting people one by one. Everyone is actually treated as a singular pronoun. So when I say everyone in the class, it's singular. I have to use has over here, not have. Okay. So for this one, Sanvi, Toby, and Zoe doesn't get the mark. All right. And Nicole doesn't get the mark as well. Okay. Has is singular. Have is plural. Catherine. Has is for singular. Whoops. Has is for singular. Okay. Have is plural. All right. So everyone gets the mark except for Sanvi, Toby, Zoe. All right. So everyone except for Sanvi, Toby, Zoe, and Nicole. Everyone gets 1 mark. For question 2. Question 3. These what? Okay. Over here, these is a pronoun that refers to things in the plural. So therefore, these over here is actually plural. So we have to choose the plural verb. So plural verbs do not have s behind. So we have to choose include. This one with s behind, this is singular. So the answer here is actually include. Okay. Shama lama mumu. Ah, sorry. I didn't give Nicole a chance to answer this one. I'm sorry, Nicole. I'll give you the mark for this one, okay? But for this one, I think Sanvi and Zoe got it wrong. Okay, so Sanvi and Zoe got it wrong. Okay, keep in mind all of these you know, errors that you make, don't make them in the exam again. All right. So it's not just everyone that is singular, boys and girls. We also have other words that are singular as well, right? For example, we have anyone. All right, no one, someone. All right, and then lastly, this one over here, everyone. The moment you have the word one behind. Everyone, someone, no one, anyone, right? It's all actually singular. Please remember that now, boys and girls. Okay. And Catherine wants a shamalamamu. So she gets a shamalamamu. Sure. Okay. So like what I said just now, over here, you see beside the singular there, right? Beside what I wrote there that says singular, this part that I'm circling blue, remember, everyone, someone, no one, anyone. All right, as long as there's a one behind, they are all considered singular. All right, so keep that in mind for your exams. So this is the plural form of that type of pronoun. The singular form is this, THIS, right? THIS is the singular form of this. So if I say this, THIS, it's singular. If I say these, then it's plural. Okay, and both of them actually refer to stuff that is nearby, like it's near to you. How about stuff that is far away? For stuff that's far away, we have one singular form one and one plural form one as well. This one in singular form is that. The one in plural form is those. So the ones I'm circling in purple, right, over here, they all come as a set. That and those, and these and this. They come as a set, right? They're all the same. They all have the same purpose. Yes, Shao Chen, you may go to the toilet. So keep that in mind. Next up, we have, so these include brooms, gloves, and garbage bags. Alice and her classmates. So this is a very, very easy question because not only do they tell you classmates over here, right? It's definitely plural, but it's Alice and her classmates. So this whole thing over here, right? It's definitely plural. Even the word classmates actually gives it away already, right? So the whole thing is plural. So we need to choose the plural form of the verb here, and the answer is are, right? Because are is the plural form. Okay, so for this one, everyone got it correct. Ah, I forgot to ask Nicole again. Oh, okay, I need to remember to ask Nicole. Okay, so Nicole by default gets it correct as well because I forgot to ask her. So everyone gets it correct, okay? 1 point. My bad, my bad. Okay. So these are the explanations. All right. And let's go on to the next page. All right, these are the answers. And now let's have a look at synthesis and transformation. This is the one that is a little bit more tricky, and that's the main thing that we are going to concentrate on for today. Okay, later on there will be some very, very good bonus questions I'm going to give you. If you can answer those, you have actually become a direct to indirect speech professional. Okay, and these types of synthesis transformation questions, right? They always come out in the PSLE. So you can be sure that at least one out of the 5 PSLE questions for synthesis transformation is a direct to indirect speech, right? Transformation question. Okay, so we have to learn this very well. So when reporting a direct statement, there is no change of tense if the statement is a fact. And when reporting a direct statement, follow the tense of the operative verb given. So let me give you an example. Okay, for example, over here, we have we have effects. All right.